What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So Samsung just announced their summer spiel of hardware, and today's video I want to show you guys their new and latest Pro headphones, those Galaxy Bud Pro 3s. And yeah, these have probably one of the best looks that I've seen in a new pair of headphones. A lot of people, just because it's the nature of the business, are going to be comparing them to this guy right here, those AirPod Pros 2, stealing the design, stealing the kind of design language. But again, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Samsung knows what Apple has here, and they chose to use it as motivation for their next generation device. So this video is going to be pretty short and quick for you guys. I want to show you guys the blade lights, the unboxing, and obviously, well, the look of these new Bud 3 Pros. Let's jump right into it. So before we jump into this, first things first, if you pre-order these Bud 3 Pros, you will get this free new clip case with carabiner. I will actually open this up here in a minute for you guys. Let's get right into the star of the show here, those Galaxy Bud 3 Pros. They do come in silver and a white colorway. I think these these darker colors with those light blades look better, so that's why I kind of went with this style. The packaging shouldn't look anything new or surprising to anyone who has used a pair recently. Let's go ahead and just rip this one off and then the other tab at the bottom and open this box right up. Okay, and in typical fashion, here's the product. We'll set it to the side. It's telling you how to find your perfect fit and how to pair with your mobile device. And then, as usual, you have all of your other reading materials in the lid, as well as what should be the charging cable. Sure enough, it looks like it is still going to be, yep, USB-C to USB-C. Love to see that, obviously, especially in today's day and age. And then, sure enough, all of your other reading material. So let's go ahead, set this right over to the side, and slide the buds right into view so you guys can check it out. And again, I don't know if it's just me, but I'm a sucker for transparent gadgets. Shout out to Nothing. And the transparent lid here for the case is a call out feature to me. I really like it. As well as your LED light on the front, your USB-C port at the bottom here, and that pairing button we just talked about. And I can tell you, these do have a nice little weight to them. It actually feels right on par with, like we showed you earlier, those AirPod Pros 2. We'll talk about those in another video and do a comparison, but for now, here you go. There is that pairing light, and you can see, as is similar with the other Samsung devices of this launch, they do have a blue and an orange color signifying left and right. It's on the Galaxy Watch 7 and all of those bands. And then obviously, as you saw, and I'll turn it down a little bit and reopen it, you can see those blade lights light right up briefly. It did actually do the same thing when you closed it. It's one of those blink if you miss it types things. But yeah, these do look really, really nice. And this is really where you start seeing the differentiation between these and the AirPods Pro 2s. They're much more triangular in nature. It actually feels pretty good. Let me go ahead and put one in, see how it feels in my ear. They feel really good and lightweight. Obviously, you're not going to be able to feel how it feels in my ear through this video, but just to let you know, yeah. Let me go ahead and see how easily it, yep, magnetically goes right back in as we're used to. Let me go ahead and grab my phone and we'll get the setup process going and you guys can take a look. So we went ahead and grabbed our CMF Phone 1 to use for this demo. And one thing that actually surprised me is right when you open the lid nowadays, it should give you that fast pair option here. And as soon as I open it, my monitor behind me, my monitor in front of me, and my Microsoft Surface all wanted to pair to these, but for some reason I did not get that quick pair option here on the CMF phone. So as you can see, just going into Bluetooth, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and pairing like you traditionally would, and you're good to go. Will allow access to everything, and you're paired. So no shocker or surprise there. If you use a Samsung Galaxy device, obviously it will pair a little quicker via that auto pair, and you will have access to some of the other features such as the blade lights and other options in regards to that. You can also download the app on your phone. As you can see here, what that's called is the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro Manager. I'm installing it as we can see here. And now, if you actually jump into it, it is downloading the software needed. And we'll go ahead and skip signing in right now. Agree. Allow, 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 allow. And here you go. This is how you will control it. Your active ANC, those blade lights and all that. You can see first things first, it launches for adaptive noise control. Turn on adaptive noise control to adjust noise volume automatically based on your surroundings. Noise canceling will kick in when you're someplace loud. Your buds will let ambient sound in for more comfort when it's quiet. You can switch noise control modes in settings or by pinching and holding your earbuds. Then you have voice and siren detection. For your safety and to make conversation easier, you can turn on ambient sound automatically when you start speaking or a siren is detected. After auto detection, you can pinch an earbud to end ambient sound immediately. And as you can see, it says you're all set. And here is what that app looks like. So currently it shows you it is off. You can click ambient sound, click adaptive or active noise cancellation. Let's go ahead and put a bud in to activate this. And you can see it automatically moved us to ambient sound. And then you have to put both in for adaptive and both in obviously for active ANC. You have a volume toggle for the actual ambient sound volume level. Auto switch to ambient sound if you choose to. We'll go ahead and put voice detect and siren detect on. And then use ambient sound during calls if you want. You have that option. You have your sound quality and effects. You have your equalizer here. And you can see it comes with about 7 presets and a custom, or I should say 6 presets and a custom one. You can do your earbud fit test here. Then you're going to have your earbud settings as well for your voice controls, in-ear detection. Pause media when one earbud is removed. I like that. We'll turn that on as well. Read notifications out loud if you like having that. Again, it's something that AirPods Pros do. Seamless earbud connection. What is this? It says switch quickly to nearby devices without disconnecting your earbuds or turning on pairing mode. This works with any nearby device that's signed into your Samsung account, even if you've never paired with your earbuds before, and also with other devices if they've paired to your earbuds previously. In some rare cases, this may allow unknown devices to connect to your earbuds and control them. It's a pretty big disclaimer there. I'm glad it's there, so make sure you're aware of that. And here you have neck stretch reminders. That's a new one. This says if you hunch over your phone or desk, your head tends to lean forward, which can cause back and neck health issues over time. Your earbuds can detect your head position and notify you when you bent your head downward for 10 minutes. That's a pretty cool little health ad there. I've never seen that before. Then reset, accessibility, earbuds software update. I don't believe there's any updates right now, but we'll double check. Nope, no launch updates just yet for that. And then you have obviously your Find My earbuds, tips, and user manual. So very plain and basic. What I don't see here is, and unless I'm missing it, how to adjust those blade lights. I'll have to do a little more digging on that. But for now, this is a quick look at them. I definitely can tell you just from sitting here talking to you, having that one earbud in my right ear, it actually feels really good. Let me see how the noise controls work really quick. Oh yeah, the volume. Because of the shape here, it's actually easier to swipe up volume controls than I think it is on those AirPod Pros. That's pretty interesting. I definitely like that. And the pinch gestures work very well as well, thanks to that triangular nature of the stem. It makes it very, very easy to actually do what you need. So, put this back in, close it out, and there we go. So yeah, quick short video for you guys today. Let me know what you think. Are you excited about these buds? Comment down below. Don't forget to get that pre-order in. I'll drop those links. I will open up this little carabiner for you guys as well to take a look at, just as a last thing to show you. So you have your little button to open here. There's that carabiner, and obviously you can slide them in, and there you go. And then you can just open them up. It locks the lid on top of the case. So If you want that extra little bit of protection, this is all you need. And again, freebie right now. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.